Okay, so today we are going to download Microsoft Teams. So the first thing I'm going to do is type in Microsoft.com in my web browser. And when I get to Microsoft's website, I should see all Microsoft. So I'm going to click over here and it opens up and I'll see over here, it says under software, I'll see Microsoft Teams. And once I get to the Teams page, I'm looking for download Teams and it's right here. So I'm going to click on that. And then it gives us an option. Do we want the desktop or the mobile? And I want the desktop version. So I'm going to download Teams now. And so it is currently downloading it to my desktop. And it's going to finish the install. It's opening it up. And okay, so Teams is currently getting ready to run. Okay, and now that it's open, it's going to ask us to sign in to our work, school, or Microsoft account. And I'm going to put in, I'll put in my account. And if you just give me a second. Okay, and so I've signed in and it's sending me a verification code. So it's going to send me a verification code to my email address. And then you have to confirm the code they send. And I'm going to do that in just a second. Okay, and once we successfully sign into Teams, then you'll see all of your information in there. Thanks for watching.